We're up to the third Mishnah in Maseches Taanis in the first parak. So again, parak Aleph, Mishnah Gimel. Now this Mishnah is dealing with the topic of V'sein tal umatir levracha, which is the phrase that we say in the ninth bracha of Shmona Esrei. That's the bracha of Barech Aleinu, which ends with Baruch Ata Hashem, Mivarech Hashanim. In that bracha, we ask Hashem to bless the year, and during the rainy season, we add the words V'sein tal umatir levracha. You should give dew and rain for a bracha. So this Mishnah is answering the question of when do we start saying that phrase? When do we start asking for rain? Exactly what day? So the Mishnah is going to have an argument between two Tanaim. It says, Bishlosha b'Mar Cheshvan, on the third day of Mar Cheshvan. Mar Cheshvan is the second month of the year, right after Tishrei. Shoalin Esag Hashamim, we ask for rain. We say, V'sein tal umatir levracha. Rabbi Gamliel says, B'shivbo, on the 7th of Cheshvan, on the 7th of that month. Now, why do they hold their opinions? The first Tana, we call him the Tana Kama, he says you start on the third day of Cheshvan because he holds that that's the time for the rain to come down, meaning that's normally when it begins raining. And therefore that's an appropriate time for ask for rain. Rabbi Gamliel actually states his reason, as we see right now. He says, why do you do it on the 7th of Cheshvan? Chamisha Asar Yom, it's 15 days, Achar HaChag, after Sukkot is over. In the Mishnah, when it says Chag, it usually refers to Sukkot. So 15 days after Sukkot is the 7th of Cheshvan. Now why do we want to begin the 15 days after Sukkot? Kidei, in order, Sheyagia, that will reach Acharon, the last one, Shebi Yisrael, of the Jews, Lenahar Pras, to the Euphrates River. In other words, people come up to Yerushalayim on Sukkot. Why? Because it's one of the Shalosh Regalim. It's one of the 3 holidays of Pesach, Shavuos, and Sukkot. And the Torah says that all males have to come to Yerushalayim, to the Beis Hamikdash, for those 3 holidays. So Jews are coming from all over Eretz Yisrael to Yerushalayim for Sukkot. After Sukkot, they have to go home. Now, the border, the furthest point of Eretz Yisrael is Nahar Pras, the Euphrates River. If a person lives past the Euphrates River, he doesn't have the mitzvah of having to come up to the Beis Hamikdash. But if you live up until the Euphrates River from Yerushalayim, you have to come. It takes 15 days to travel from the Euphrates River to Yerushalayim, or from Yerushalayim to the Euphrates River. The Chachamim didn't want it to rain while the Jews are traveling. That would be difficult to travel in the rain. So they don't want people to ask for rain when we don't really want rain. Once everyone is back home, then they begin asking for rain. So the Tana Kama says you start the 3rd day of Cheshvan because that's really the normal time for the rain to begin. And Rabbi Gamliel says start the 7th of Cheshvan so that everyone can get back home after they did the mitzvah of Aliyah L'Regel, going up to the Beis Hamikdash. And then you start asking for rain.